Hello dear students, welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video, I have explained you that how could you write exercises of given chapter number 4 in your book, and now today's video I'm going to explain that how could we write these exercises in notebook. Dear student, we have completed our book. Now we moving to write this given exercises in notebook. So first of all, you all take out your notebook and mention date of today. So dear student, first of all you have to mention the chapter number. So it is chapter number 4, and after that you have also write the name of this chapter. So the name of this chapter is A Rainy Day. Okay, and after that mention the exercise A, that is answer these questions. Dear student, exercise A is answer these questions. So what will we do in this exercises? So in this exercise we have to write given question answer. So first of all, there is a first question is, where is Amol coming back from? You have to note down the given question number 1, that is, where is Amol coming back from? So the answer will be, Amol is coming back from school. Amol is coming back from school. What is the spelling of school? The spelling of school is SCHOOL, school. Okay. So Amol is coming back from school. Now the next stage. The next question is, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? Where does Amol stands when it begins to rain? So what will be the answer? Student, we have to write the answer, that is, Amol stands under a tree when it begins to rain. Okay. So it will be done of question number 2. Now we moving to the next, that is question number 3. In question number 3, there is a question, who comes and stand near Amol? Who comes and stand near him? Here is the him is Amol. Okay. So now the answer will be, the cute pup comes and stand near Amol. Dear student, we have to write down answer, that is, the cute pup comes and stand near Amol. Now we moving to the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, there is a who gets weight. Who gets weight first? Write 1, 2 and 3. Student, there is a question, who gets weight first? Write 1, 2 and 3. So we have to write 1, 2, 3 according to the who get weight first. So as we all know that first is the tree. Tree is getting weight first. After that Amol. So we will write here 2. And last one is the pup. So we have to write here 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay student. So like this you have to complete this exercise A. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So what will we do in this exercise B? So student, first of all there is a exercise B is take the correct words. We have to take the correct words according to the given sentence. So first of all we have to read the given line that is given here, and after that we have to read the question, and after that we have to take the correct words. Okay. Now the next, there is a given sentence is, there are black clouds in the sky. There are black clouds in the sky. So the question is, who sees the black clouds? The question is, who sees the black clouds? Here are two options. First is Amol and option number B is the pup. So tell me which one is correct. So the given option number A is correct, that Amol sees the black clouds, as we all know. So we have to take the option number A, that is Amol. Okay student. Now we moving to the next, that is next question is, how did he feel? How did he feel? How did Amol feel when he see the black cloud in the sky? So he feel happy or scared. Here are two options again. Option number A is happy and option number B is scared. So tell me which one is correct. So we all know that when Amol sees the black cloud in the sky, that time he is feeling scared. Okay. So we have to take the option number B, that is scared. Now it's over. Next stage, exercise E. Student, after exercise A and B, we write the next exercise, that is exercise E. Okay. In this exercise we have to fill the given spelling. Use the letter in the box to complete the words. Okay. Here we have to use the given letters of which is given in the box, and after that we have to complete the given words. So in number 1 there is a R dash dash dash. Here are 3 blanks, so we have to write letters by choosing the from the box. Okay, so here we have to write AIN. Student, here we have to write AIN, so the word will be RAN, RAIN, RAN. In second there is SH, so what will we write here? We have to write here ELL, so it will be cell, SHELL, shell. Okay, third is CO, so we have to write here AT, so it will be code, COAT, code. Fourth is D, so what will we write on the given blank? So we have to write here OLL, so the word will be doll, DOLL, doll. Number 5, in number 5 there is a BE, so we have to write here given letter AR, so it will be beer, BEAR, beer. Now the last one is P, and we have to write here the letters, that is AIN, so the word will be pen. Okay, pen. So one more time we are going to read this given word. First is RAN, RAIN. Second is cell, SHELL, shell. Third is COAT, code. Fourth is DOLL, doll. Fifth is BEAR, beer. Sixth is PAIN, pen. Okay. Now the next is exercise F. Student, this is a punctuation. Here we going to use the punctuation in given sentence. So what will we do? So here is the write this sentence is in your notebook. Begin with capital letter and end with a full stop. So dear student, in punctuation we have learned about that how could we use the capital letter and full stop. How could we use capital letter and full stop? So student, as we all know that in a sentence the first letter begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay, the sentence end with a full stop. So here is the given sentences. We have to use punctuation, each the begin with a capital letter and end with the full stops. Okay, so let's get to this exercise. So first is it is raining. So dear student, as we can see that there is a no use of capital letter and full stop, so we have to use punctuation mark. So that is first letter begin with a capital letter, so we have to change the given first letter I in a capital letters. So we have to write here capital I and after that small t. It is raining. After that we have to put a full stop, because we all know that we have to use a full stop when the sentence is completed. Okay, when the sentence is complete, so that time we have to use full stop. At the end of sentence we have to use a full stop and first letter begin with a capital letter. So like this we have to do this all given sentence. Second is I got weight. So we have to change the given first letter in a capital letter and after that we have to write got weight and after that we have to put a full stop. Third is we will play games. So first letter begin with a capital letter, we will play games. After that we have to put a full stop. Now the next number 4, we will have fun. We will have fun. So first letter begin with a capital letter and the sentence and with a full stop. Okay, we will have fun. Like this we have to complete this given exercise F in notebook. Okay student. Now there is a next stage, grammar fun. So read this sentence is, student, here is a I am a girl, we are girls. The book is on the table, the books are on the table. Here we are going to learn the uses of is, am and are. Is, am and are. Okay student. So how could we use this given is, am or are? We will learn in this given exercise. So dear student, as you all know that we should use is with a singular noun and we have to use are with a plural noun. It means more than one place, person, things, and we always use am with I. Okay, so let's do this given exercise. So first of all there is a Janak, they are singing, so here we have to use is because Janak is a singular noun. So Janak is singing. Second is the cat that's on the mat, so here the cat is singular noun, so we have to write here is. Okay, After that, third, there is a I dash Amol. So as we all know that we always use am with I. So here we have to write am. I am Amol. Fourth is grandpa dash playing tennis. So here we have to write is. We have to use the helping verb is. Fifth is we dash friend. So here we have to write are. Okay student, because it is more than one person. So for the more than one person we have to use are. So like this we have to complete exercise G. Now moving to the next stage. Next exercise is exercise H. Change the today words into yesterday words by adding ed. So what will we do? We have to add only ed in the given words to change them today words to yesterday word. Okay. So first is ran. So it will be ran. R-A-I-N-E-D. R-A-I-N-E-D, ran. Second is start. So it will be started. Start. S-T-A-R-T-E-D. Third is climbed. So it will be climbed. C-L-I-M-B-E-D, climbed. Fourth is filled. So it will be filled. F-I-L-L-E-D, filled. Fifth is work. Fifth is walk. So it will be walked. W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Sixth is talk. So it will be talked. T-A-L-K-E-D, talk. Okay students, so like this we have to complete this all exercises in notebook with a good handwriting. Dear student, it's a very important for you that your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, so it's your homework that you have to complete in your notebook and also learn it. Okay student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete these exercises in notebook. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.